Search on Google, copy and paste. Get your earnings every month. And yes, this is 100% free and you can start today from wherever you are in the world, as this works worldwide. Just imagine the new lifestyle you will have. Sitting at home, making money on the internet, being your own boss and having freedom to do whatever you want. And congratulations to the winner from my previous video who won the $1,000 premium course by commenting her favorite destination to explore, Noura Banks. Congratulations to you. So you also can win this $1,000 premium course by commenting who your all-time favorite celebrity is. Type my all-time favorite celebrity is and stand a chance to get the $1,000 giveaway. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, so I'll be sending you a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Coming back to the tutorial, go to mongoosecom. If you want to rank on Google, you have to use SEO, and this is a tool that helps people all over the world to rank their websites on Google. As they say, these are juicy SEO tools you will love. You're not gonna spend any money on this tool. You're not gonna develop a website. You're not gonna shoot a video. You clicked on this video to earn money by copying and pasting, right? So you're gonna do that now. Step number 2. Go ahead and start the 10-day free trial by signing up. Enter your email, enter your password, confirm your password. If you want to receive product updates and special offers, tick that. I don't want. And you're not a robot, so tick here and create your Mongoose account. And they will send a confirmation link to your email. Go ahead and confirm your email. Confirm your email. Step number 3, go to affiliates tab. Now here you should know this: 30% of the commission rate, 30 days cookie expiration, 150 payout threshold, and your affiliate ID is this one. Let's go out and see the pricing. They have 3 plans: 26.91, 35.99, 71.91. That means you have a potential of making 30% off $72 every month, and that's nearly about $22 each month from one subscriber. As the subscribers will renew their subscription every month, this will be monthly recurring, and the more you do the last few steps of this strategy, which I'm gonna explain soon, your monthly earnings will go up. After copying and pasting once, imagine you get 100 recurring subscribers and you'll get about $2,200 each month. But here's the warning. If you skip a second of this video or do not watch the full video until the end, you might not fully understand the entire strategy and you might eventually fail to make any money. So it's really important to watch all the way until the very end to learn this step-by-step strategy, while there will be some bonus tips to maximize your earnings just like a snowball. Step number 4, go to the dashboard, go to affiliate, go to promo materials and copy your affiliate link. Go to app.bitly.com and shorten your URL by pasting your URL here. You can customize the back half if you want. If not, just save your URL. People are more likely to click on shortened links, as well as you can see how many clicks you got and from which country you got those clicks. Step number 5, go to Google and search. Yes, search for people you think would actually benefit from getting this software. Of course, all the websites will love this, as each of them wants to rank on Google and get traffic for their websites. As you know, there are billions of websites, but not everybody can afford this amount of money per month. So who would you think that will buy this? The companies and businesses who make money through their customers and that want to rank higher on Google for their specific keywords. Step number 6, find businesses as many as you like by searching on Google. For an example, search for dentals in LA. So you can open as many as the sites you can, except the first 3 or 4 sites that appear on top, as they wouldn't want this because they already rank top on Google. Come on, click, come on, click, come on, click. That means control click, control click, control click to open up tons of websites. Then you should find their contact and send them a message with your affiliate link inside of it. In this case, you should convince them to buy your subscription. So how are you going to do that? Here's a small template. Open up a Google document. And there we break this down to 4. First one, the problem. Second one, the reason for the problem. Third one, how to solve the problem. And the last one, solving the problem. Normally, so the problem is you don't get many sales or customers from your website as the competitors are. The reason for the problem is you are not ranking on Google as you would have want to. How to solve the problem? Well, the top 3 search results on Google get 80% of the traffic, so you need to boost your SEO. Solving the problem. Tell about this software and give your affiliate link, and because you have given a complete solution with a quality breakdown for their problem, they will have a high likelihood to checking out this message. So search on Google, copy and paste this message to a ton of people around the world without spending any amount of money and get a recurring income. And don't forget to comment down below your favorite all-time celebrity. Stand a chance to win $1,000 premium giveaway. The winner will be chosen and announced in my next video. And you can check out and learn how my buddy Matt Parr runs 9 different profitable YouTube channels and makes 6 figures from them. If you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on more set videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. You'll see 2 more free videos that I think that will be useful for you. So check those out right now. Thank you for watching.